This is Varun from Tata Group Air India. We are the Disabled Aircraft Recovery team. We have recently bought a Resqtec advanced kit to cater the disabled aircraft recovery. Earlier we used to have the old kit. Now Air India has chosen a very advanced kind of a kit which can lift up to 6.5 meters from the ground, and which is pretty much for the wide bodies, the 747, 787, 350, everything else. We have the control panels for the low pressure bags and the R2S system. R2S system is a recently added in the advanced kit, which says rapid recovery system. We call it R2S. We have the low pressure bags. They have a quite good range of the tonnage we require for each types of aircraft. And this is the R2S. We have the 3 columns, which includes we can use it on the jack points, directly on the skin as well, and it can also measure the skin pressure as well. I wish very good luck to rescue team along with Dennis, Ramsey and Kevin, who were very good for us for the demo practicals right here in Mumbai. So this is the importance of the advanced kit what we have in this region. So Air India Tata Group is ready to recover any type of aircraft with the Resqtec advanced kit. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.